Welcome. Now we will learn factorizing a binomial, how we can do it. If the binomial it is given 3a square minus 27b square, if you see 27 is divisible by 3, so we can take 3 as a outside and we can write, see, 3 into a square, we will get 3 into a square. So I have written in bracket a square minus. Now you know 3 nines are 27. So I will write 9b square. Okay. Now if you see, I can write 3 as a common, and you know this is a square minus b square we got. So we can write a plus b and a minus b. This is the formula of this. So here this is a square and this is our b square, which can be further written as a plus 3b. Here I forgot to write. Here we can write this is a square and 9 square is of 3. So 3b whole square. So now you got a square minus b square, which can be written as a plus b and a minus b. So a plus 3b and a minus 3b. So we can do in such a way factorization method. Okay. And one more, if I am taking, this was the example number 1. If I am taking the example number 2, it is given, for example, a square minus 4b square. So you know a square we can write as this a square, but 4 is the square of 2, so we can write 2b whole square. Now this is a minus b square. So a square minus b square, which can be written as a plus b and a minus b. We have solved this, so we can write a plus twice b and a minus, this is b, so a minus 2b. So in this way we can factorize a given binomial. So let us solve the practice set 53. So here it is given, question number 1. Factorize the following expressions: p square minus q square. So already it is p square. We know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Okay. So we can write directly as p plus q and p minus q, because we already know the formula. So this is our a square and this is our b square. So we can write a plus b and a minus b. Okay. Now we will solve the next one. It is given 4x square minus 25y square. We know 4 is the square of 2. So we can write 2x whole square, and 25 is the square of 5. So we can write 5y square. First step. Okay. Now you know this is our a. We got a square and this is our b square. So we know that a square minus b square, it can be written as a plus b and a minus b. Okay. So we can write here as 2x plus 5y and 2x minus 5y. Okay. Here I have shown. So after this you can write this 2x plus 5y into 2x minus 5y. Now next we will see. Now see, y square, we can write y square, and 4 is the square of 2, so we can write 2 square. Now this is a square and this is b square, so we can write y plus 2 and y minus 2. So here we have completed this third one. Fourth one we can write, see, it is p square, so we can write p square minus 1 square, the value will be 1, and 25 is the square of 5, so we can write 1 by 5 square. So now you know this is a square and this is minus b square, so a plus b and a minus b. So we can write p plus 1 by 5 and p minus 1 by 5, small letter p. Okay. So p plus 1 by 5 and p minus 1 by 5. Now we will see the next one, that is fifth one. It is given 9x square minus 1 by 16y square. So 9 square, it is the square of 3. So 3x square minus 1 square, we know the value will be 1, so we can write 1, and 16 is the square of 4. So, and y is also there, so write y, 1 by 4y. Now this is our a square and this is our b square, so we will write a plus b and a minus b. So we can write now 3x plus 1 by 4y and 3x minus 1 by 4y. Okay, so this is our, we have factorized. Now next we will see, it is given x square minus 1 by x square. So both are squares, so we can write x square minus 1 by x square. So now this is a square minus b square. So we can write x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. Okay. Now this is, in this way we can factor. Now next it is given, if you see here, I am just factorizing. A square means a into b. Okay. And here ab. If you see, AB is common, AB is common. So I can take out AB common outside, and bracket I can write, see, A square. So I will write here A. And so we got now AB multiplied with A, you will get A square B. So minus sign is there, so put minus, and AB into 1, it is AB. So our answer is AB, A minus 1 after factorizing. Now next question we will see. It is given 4x square y minus 6x square. So you know 4 it is a square, but 6 it is not a square. So what we will do, but 4 and 6 both are divisible by 2. So we will take out 2 outside and we can write 2, as well as x is common. So x also I will take out, and now I can write, see, 2x. So 2 2s are 4. X square we want, so x. And again we want y, so see, now 2x into 2xy, we will get 2x square y. Sign is minus, so put minus sign. Now we want 6, so 2 3s are 6, and it is x square, so x. So after factorizing we will get 2x bracket 2xy minus 3x. Now let us see the ninth one. Ninth one, it is given half y square minus 8z square. If you know that it is half, so value should be 8 we want. So you know, if I am taking out half outside, you know 16 divided by 2 we will get 8. Okay, 16 divided by 2, because it is division. So I can take out half as outside. Okay, and then you know, here see, half into y square. So half into y square, we will get y square. And here 16 divided by 2 we got 8. So I can write 16 z square. Okay, first step. Now we can write half, and you know this will become y square, and 16 is the square of 4 and z is there. So I can write 4z square. Okay, now it is half. We know this is a square minus b square. So we can write a plus b and a minus b. So we can write here y plus 4z and y minus 4z. Okay, using the formula a square minus b square. Now we will see the next one. Next one, it is given 2x square minus 8y square. If you see here, 8 is not a square of number. So what we will do, we will take out 2 outside, because square we know x square we can find out. So we can write 2 has the common. So 2 into x square, and 2 4s are 8. So y square. So see, 2 into x, 2x square, minus 2 into 4, 8, and y square. Now this is our a square minus b square. So we can write 2x plus 4y and x minus, sorry, it is the one step I missed here. 4 is the square, So this we have to find first square. I went directly. So it is x square we can write, and 4 is the square of 2. So we can write 2. Okay, whole square. Okay. Now 2. Now see, this is x square minus b square. So we can write 2 x, this y is also there. So x plus 2y and x minus 2y. Okay. So we got 2 x minus. So see here I have not seen this 4, so I have seen 4 square. So here it is common 2x square minus 8y square. So we have taken 2 outside, and we can write 2 into x square 2x square minus 4y square. So 2 into x square 2x square minus 2 4s are 8y square. Now we know that x square minus 4 is the square of 2, and it is given y, so 2y square, because 4 is the square of 2 and it is already y square, so 2y whole square. Now this is a square minus b square. So we can write 2 is the common, so we can write x plus 2y and into x minus 2y. So here we have completed practice set 53. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.